Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Wallet and Me, where financial wisdom matters. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and to all of my subscribers, welcome back, and please smash that like button. In today's video, I want to discuss how you can put aside very little money each month to turn it to $1 million for retirement. This is not a quick, rich scheme. I'm not going to be selling you anything. It's just a simple math that will help you to get there. The simple answer is using compound interest. So let's get right into it. Albert Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. While $1 million isn't what it used to be 50 years ago, that's the minimum you should try to aim for. $1 million is the magic number because it would give you a comfortable life in retirement without letting you to struggle and request help from your kids or relatives, because that would be very embarrassing. You first have to do the basic things, of course, like having an emergency fund, trying to live below your means, and maximizing your income. The goal isn't about how much money you make, but how much money you can save. If someone makes $250,000 but spends most of it, then that person is not going to have enough money to invest. While another person who makes $60,000 and lives on $40,000 can easily save and invest the remainder. Keep that in mind before you make excuses that you don't make enough money to invest. And if you're truly not making enough money, then try to find side hustles or educate yourself to earn more money. With $1 million or more, you can definitely have financial freedom. You will not have to work into your 70s. You will be able to do some travel and give to worthy causes and pursue other hobbies and pastimes. Depending on the type of lifestyle you want to have and where you choose to live, you may even be able to retire early or semi-retire early if you choose to. The key is to start investing early. The earlier you begin saving, the less you would need to save each month. The later in life you start, the more money you need to put aside each month. According to David Ramsey and other financial gurus, you should invest approximately 15% of your income in an index fund or ETF or a Roth IRA. According to the Federal Reserve, the average American household annual income is $63,000. So let's keep that number in mind. And just for simplicity's sake, let's just make it even and say $60,000 a year. That means that you should be saving $9,000 each year at minimum, or $750 a month, or $187 a week. If you invest $750 a month for 40 years from age 25 to 65, you should have approximately $1,864,137. That's assuming an average rate of return of 7% and assuming that your income never increases and stays at $60,000 until you retire. And also regarding the 7%, that's the average rate of return in the stock market if you put your money in a very good solid ETF or an S&P 500 index fund. Let's say you only make $33,000 a year, you should invest approximately $4,950 a year or $412 a month. If you invest $412 a month, you will end up with $1,024,033. Again, that's assuming a 7% rate of return and that your income stays the same until you retire and you do not change your contributions every month. While you are younger, you could take more calculated risks by being more aggressive with your investments. If you keep everything the same by investing $750 a month, but change the expected rate of return to 10%, which is pretty reasonable if you take a more aggressive approach, you can end up with a whopping $4,195,956. If you invest only $412 at a 10% rate of return each month, you could end up with $2,304,978. As you can see, it doesn't take a lot of money to reach over $1 million. It just takes a lot of discipline and your commitment to make that contribution every single month. Let's say you started much later in life, maybe at age 35, and wanted to retire at age 65 again. You only need to invest $500 a month with a 10% rate of return, or $860 a month with a 7% rate of return to reach $1 million. And if you really started late in life at age 40, then you obviously need to be more aggressive with your savings and put away $1,300 a month with a 7% rate of return to earn $1 million, or $810 a month earning an average rate of return of 10%. The main lesson I want to get across is that anybody can make $1 million if they really choose to. The main thing that you need to know is that you need to start investing early in life and not wait any longer. Start today, because even if you're in your 30s or 20s or 40s, you could still make $1 million by the time you retire. I hope you found this video useful and helpful and it motivated you, because without this, guys, we cannot trust the government to help you to make your financial future. You need to take that into your own hands and make sure that you invest for yourself and your family. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.